spy something under my bed.
I wonder if it's my shoe.
It feels kinda squishy and round like a ball.
Oh, that's not my shoe at all. That's a green ball, not my blue shoe. Oh, where did my blue shoe go? Oh, where can it be?
I think I found something inside my room. Did you find it? Let's see. I spy something in my toy chest.
Do you think it's my shoe?
Yes, it is a shoe, but it's on my doll.
Oh, that's not my shoe at all. That's not my blue shoe. It's for your doll. Oh, where did the blue shoe go? Oh, where can it be?
We found something in the bathroom.
Hooray, let's all go and see.
I spy something under the tub.
I wonder what it could be.
It's a whale that's blue.
But it's not my shoe.
We'll find it soon, you will see.
That's a toy, not my shoe. Oh, where did JJ's shoe go? Oh, where can it be? I spy something in Bingo's bed.
Let's look together and see.
That's my blue shoe.
Now we know where the blue shoe went. JJ, you found your lost shoe.
Bingo was hiding it in his bed. He loves blue things too. JJ says